When the first cells emerged, they simply absorbed their chemical nutrients from their environment. It took another billion years before cyanobacteria evolved the ability to photosynthesize energy by combining water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. Cells now had the means of producing their own food, and they became very abundant. One of the byproducts of photosynthesis is the release of free oxygen, and as oxygen accumulated, the atmosphere gradually began to change. Hundreds of millions more years passed before the oxygen levels were high enough for larger cells to develop. It is possible, but not certain, that some prokaryotes engulfed others inside their membrane. Gradually they became part of the cell, taking on the specialized functions of organelles, such as a nucleus, mitochondria, and chloroplasts. Sometime around 1.8 billion years ago, these eukaryotic cells, which are about 10 times larger than prokaryotic cells, first begin to appear in the fossil record. About 1 billion years after their first arrival, some eukaryotic cells grouped together and became simple multicellular organisms. In time, they evolved so they could reproduce sexually through meiosis. Once the hereditary information of the organism was determined by both the male and the female, the possibility of genetic variation became much greater, and around 600 million years ago, the number and variety of species exploded.